Well, good afternoon everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Hey, how does a Tacoma guy take care of his hair during a shelter in place? You know, you can't go anywhere, you can't go see anybody, you're supposed to stay away from everybody, and certainly if someone is cutting your hair, they're going to be right in your face, right? You don't want to wear a mask while you're having your hair done, do you? I mean, all his hair is getting all... No. So you do it yourself. Now you may notice my hair is getting a little unruly right now because it's been a while. It's time. So today I'm going to do it myself. So all you need, I mean, it's not complicated, I don't think. All you need are a pair of clippers. I'm going to use these clippers. These are just Wahl clippers. Maybe some kind of a brush or something, you know, whatever you normally use. A broom, because you're going to have hair all over the place, and I would highly recommend that you do this outside. And then a mirror and something to prop it on. I've got this air raid box here propping up my mirror so that I can actually sort of kind of see what I'm doing. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get it going. Now I'm using a 1 because I keep my hair pretty short anyway. So except for now, it's just gotten kind of unruly. So I'm using a 1. We're just gonna, you should be able to, I think, just, you know, like you're trimming hedges or something. I don't know, maybe it's like you're trimming a bush or something. So you guys are going to get to experience this with me. Now you might be asking, how in the heck does this relate to a Toyota Tacoma? Well, the Toyota Tacoma is my salon. As you guys can see right now, everything is on the bed of it here. And I'm doing that, obviously, so I can have everything within arm's length, you know, or reach, because you never know what's going to happen. And so I can be outside and not have this mess inside. So, here we go. We've got the mirror set up. I don't know. I'm just going to leave the camera run. And you don't need the sunglasses anymore. It's a little bright out here. And we're just going to get started. So, wish me luck. Don't make too much fun of me here, I guess. If you want, I don't care. Here we go. You ready? That's pretty short. Hey look, I'm Gear Runner. Gotcha. Oh, I can use the camera as a mirror actually. Not too bad. It's cooler. I think I missed a spot. Oh, crap. Okay, that's it. The finished product. I know, it's short. I gotta tell you though, I do love it short because it's so much cooler. Anyway, gotta do what you gotta do. It's the times that we're in. Anyway, leave a comment down below. What are you Tacoma guys doing out there for your hair? Thanks for watching. Don't forget, if you haven't before, I have a second channel. It's all about the Jeep Gladiator out there. Check that out if you haven't. Also, don't forget to click that notification bell so that you don't miss any upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on the web. Stay safe out there. Bye.